In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the latest version of Visual Studio Code on your Windows 11 PC. So first of all, you just need to open a browser and in the Google search for VS Code download. And after that, this will show you this code.visualstudio.com, which is the official website of Visual Studio. So just click on it, download Visual Studio Code. And after that, this will show you to download for Windows or Linux or Mac. So we're going to download the Windows version. So we're going to click on this Windows version and it will start to download, as you can see. So we have to wait for the download option to complete. So after completing the download, just go to the folder and double click to open the Visual Code exe file. Then we have to accept the license and agreement. So just check mark it, click next. And this will take the space of 392 MB, and this is the location where it will install. So just click next. So also you can check mark this, don't create a start menu folder, then click next. And if you want to create a desktop icon, you can check mark this. So I want this, so just check mark and click next, and then just click install and it will start to install on my PC. So you just have to wait for a couple of minutes. So after finishing the install, you just need to click on finish. Also, you can launch Visual Studio Code right now, but we're going to uncheck this and click on finish. And as you can see, we have created a desktop icon for this. So we're just going to open from the desktop. And now, as you can see, our Visual Studio Code is now successfully installed in our PC. Now we can work in Visual Studio Code. So that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.